6 out of 7 drivers pick a gas station by price or location, not fuel quality. I've torn down hundreds of engines and kept my own truck past 400,000 miles on the original motor, so I know what that shortcut costs. AAA put it to the test. Non-top tier fuel left roughly 19 times more deposits on intake valves. Today, I'm counting down 11 station types and fueling habits quietly wrecking engines, then naming 5 brands that actually protect them, and the one I trust most is the cheapest on the list. Number 11 starts now. In the 11th place, we have those bare minimum, no-name discount depots. Drivers pick these pumps by price or location 6 times more often than quality, but that cheap gas only meets the bare minimum EPA detergent floor, a legal baseline, not engine protection. AAA ran a 4,000-mile test and found these bargain fuels left 19 times more intake valve deposits than premium certified brands. I got my own truck past 400,000 miles on the original motor by steering clear of them. Just look at a Civic that towed in last week. At 85,000 miles, its valves were caked solid with carbon, costing the owner $2,000 for manual cleaning and new injectors. He saved pennies at the pump but paid thousands in the shop. Luckily, the last 5 brands on this list do the exact opposite. But this next trap looks like a massive, trustworthy name. Only it is not the brand that fails you. Number 10. Those mystery supplier convenience pumps where the gasoline is a moving target. These chains buy wholesale from whatever regional distributor offers the lowest price that morning, meaning the fuel changes character week to week. One fill-up runs fine, but the next forces your engine computer to constantly chase shifting fuel trims, causing rough idles and hesitation. I saw this on a Camry with 45,000 miles. Within 10 miles of leaving a discount pump, it threw a hard misfire. We analyzed the fuel and found an off-spec, highly unstable blend. Flushing the system, cleaning the injectors, and replacing fouled plugs cost the owner $700. He saved maybe $3 at the pump, only to hand me $700 in the shop. What happens when that cheap pump's hidden flaw quietly bites your engine? Number 9. The belief that premium fuel fixes a dirty engine. Drivers constantly tell me they run 93 octane to clean out their regular rated motors. That is a flat-out lie. Octane measures knock resistance, not cleaning power. If your manual calls for regular, premium does absolutely nothing to scrub your valves or injectors. Cleaning comes from detergent chemistry, not the pump number. I had a RAV4 in here at 90,000 miles, sluggish and idling rough. The owner spent an extra $300 a year on premium, thinking it was cheap insurance. But because he bought cheap, low detergent fuel, his valves were still choked with carbon. He paid $1,200 for a manual walnut blasting, completely wiping out his imaginary savings. Wasting cash on high octane is painful, but this next habit actively hurts metal. Number 8. The wrong octane gamble. If your vehicle requires premium, running regular is a recipe for disaster. High compression, turbocharged engines operate on the razor's edge of heat and pressure. Low octane fuel causes sustained engine knock. Modern knock sensors pull timing to hide the symptoms, so you won't hear the pinging, but the internal stress remains. Power fades, temperatures climb, and carbon bakes onto the pistons. I had a turbocharged German sedan towed in with 60,000 miles. The owner saved $80 annually pulling the regular handle, but got fouled plugs and intake ports caked solid with carbon. He saved a few $100 at the pump, but handed me $1,200 to walnut blast his valves. If your car ever ran rough right after a fill-up, you know that sinking feeling. Octane damage hides in the dark, but this next issue makes its presence known the exact same day. Number 7. Shoving E85 into a standard, non-flex fuel vehicle. Chasing the absolute lowest sign price can lead drivers straight to the yellow nozzle, but E85 is up to 85% ethanol. In an engine not calibrated for it, that heavy dose of alcohol causes the motor to run dangerously lean, while actively corroding fuel line seals, pumps, and injectors. I recently had a Focus towed into my shop with 72,000 miles. The driver used the yellow handle to save $8 on a fill-up. Instead of savings, the corrosive fuel dissolved his fuel pump's internal diaphragm and scorched the injectors, leaving him stranded. The total repair bill hit $2,100. Always check for a flex fuel badge or a yellow gas cap before you buy. One wrong handle can be an accident, while the next habit is self-sabotage at every fill-up. Number 6, topping off past the click. Squeezing in those extra drops floods the vapor recovery line, sending raw liquid gas straight into your charcoal canister. This saturates the system, triggering a check engine light and throwing hard evap codes. I recently had an F-150 with 52,000 miles towed into my shop for this exact issue. The owner loved rounding up his pump total to the nearest dollar. That simple habit cost him $450 to replace a fuel-soaked canister and purge valve, all to get an extra 40 cents of fuel per trip. It is a steep repair bill for a completely useless habit. While your own routines are easily fixable today, the next engine-destroying hazard is hiding deep underground. Number 5, those quiet, low-traffic independent stations where the fuel sits underground for months. Gasoline is perishable. After 30 days, it begins to oxidize and degrade. The ethanol inside greedily pulls in ambient moisture, leading to phase separation, sticky gum, and heavy varnish that choke your engine. I had an older Explorer towed in that wouldn't start. When I pulled the fuel filter, the gasoline looked and felt like thick coffee grounds. The owner loved the convenience of that sleepy corner station, but that stale fuel cost him $350 to flush the tank, clean the lines, and replace the ruined filter. He traded convenience for a tow truck. Using old gasoline is bad luck, but old equipment is even worse. Number 4, buying from stations with neglected underground tanks. A station can look completely normal above ground, while its steel storage systems rust away underneath. Ground moisture and sediment seep through microscopic cracks, mixing directly with the gasoline. When you pump, that abrasive sludge goes straight into your fuel system, destroying your fuel pump and injectors. A customer towed in a Tahoe that ran perfectly Sunday night, but was completely dead Monday morning. We drained the tank and found it loaded with water-separated fuel and heavy rust particles. Replacing the ruined fuel pump, flushing the lines, and installing new injectors ran a bill of $3,400. It is a massive financial hit for a routine fill-up. This type of infrastructure neglect is passive, but the next danger is nature finishing the job. Number 3, stations pumping gas right after a major storm. When heavy rain floods an area, that runoff does not merely sit on the asphalt. It seeps directly into underground storage tanks drivers never see, turning clean gasoline into a water-heavy slurry. If you pump this fuel, your engine will stall within miles as the water corrodes your pumps and ruins your injectors before state inspectors can shut the station down. A customer towed a Tahoe with 65,000 miles into my shop after a heavy flood. She filled up at a low-lying pump, and her truck died 3 miles away. Draining her tank, flushing the fuel lines, and replacing the rusted pump and injectors ran a bill of $3,600. To protect your engine, buy from high-ground stations for 2 weeks after a storm. While water intrusion is an accident, this next engine killer is a straight-up lie printed on a banner. Number 2, the miracle additive pump. You see them all the time. Banners screaming super blend or hand-painted signs promising custom cleaning formulas. But marketing hype is not performance. Real effective cleaning chemistry is licensed, tested, and audited through the top-tier standard. These stations often charge premium prices for miracle fuel that actually contains only the bare minimum EPA detergent baseline. I had a customer with a Ford Edge at 90,000 miles who exclusively used a local super clean pump, paying 20 cents extra per gallon. He thought he was protecting his engine, but he brought it to me idling rough with heavily carbon-choked valves. He spent hundreds extra at the pump for empty promises, only to hand me $1,600 for a manual walnut blasting. Trust-verified certifications, not painted signs. While this marketing exaggeration is shady, our number one spot belongs to actual criminals. And finally, in first place, the absolute worst-case scenario where the fuel isn't just weak or stale, it is intentionally poisoned. The Environmental Protection Agency criminal case files document operations illegally blending hazardous waste, used motor oil, and industrial solvents straight into gasoline. If you pump this toxic cocktail, your engine will knock, smoke, and seize within days. I had a truck towed in last winter with an engine that seized within 10 miles of filling up. The solvents completely dissolved the oil's lubricating properties, turning the crankcase into dry, grinding metal. A single tank of this black market garbage caused a catastrophic failure that required a $7,000 replacement. There is no bargain here. Any pennies saved at the pump vanish against a total engine rebuild. These are criminals, not corner cutters. Fortunately, the next 5 names on our list go in the opposite direction, and the last one costs less than all of them. Number 5, Quick Trip. This brand kicks off the safe side of the pump because their reputation relies on operational discipline just as much as fuel chemistry. They license their fuel under the premier high detergent standard, blending extra cleaning agents into every single grade from regular to premium. Because they own and operate their stores directly rather than franchising, they enforce strict daily maintenance schedules on their underground storage tanks. That corporate oversight keeps water and rust out of your fuel system. More importantly, these locations draw massive regional traffic, meaning the gasoline in their tanks is constantly refreshed, never sitting long enough to oxidize or separate. In my shop, I've seen the results firsthand. When I pulled the head off a high-mileage commuter car that regularly used this fuel, the fuel injectors were spotless, showing zero carbon buildup. It shows that combining clean chemistry with disciplined station operations keeps your motor running strong. Number 4, ExxonMobil. This brand's strength is network-wide consistency from refinery to pump. Instead of relying solely on high station turnover to guarantee fresh fuel, they enforce strict, standardized quality control across their massive footprint. Every grade of fuel they sell is top-tier licensed and blended with their proprietary Synergy detergent package, delivering 2.5 times the Environmental Protection Agency's minimum cleaning requirement. In my shop, we see the results of this standardized chemistry. I had a Toyota Tundra in my bay with 340,000 miles on the original motor. When we pulled the valve covers off for a gasket replacement, we found clean, bare metal. There was no heavy sludge or amber varnish baking onto the heads, and the valves were remarkably clean. That level of repeatable quality control keeps engines running long after the warranty expires. Number 3, Shell. This brand earns its reputation because its entire identity centers on relentless fuel chemistry and research. They license every single grade as top tier, but they go much further by blending a proprietary, nitrogen-enriched detergent package designed to actively repel carbon before it can even bond to hot metal. While other brands merely slow down deposit buildup, this formula prevents those sticky residues from grabbing onto your intake valves and combustion chambers. In my shop, the proof is undeniable. I recently worked on a Lexus IS 350 with 195,000 miles on the clock. It was still running its original injectors, and when we tested them, they flowed with a perfect clean spray pattern. The cylinder compression looked identical to a brand new engine off the showroom floor. Relying on advanced chemical engineering keeps your combustion chambers pristine for the long haul. In second place, Chevron. This brand represents the gold standard of fuel chemistry, relying on their famous Techron additive package. While standard fuels barely scrape past the EPA's legal baseline, Chevron treats every single grade with a heavy dose of polyethylamine, a powerful detergent designed to survive the intense heat of your combustion chamber. It doesn't just prevent carbon from sticking, it actively scrubs away existing deposits. In my shop, the proof is in the teardowns. I recently pulled the cylinder head off a Honda Accord with 280,000 miles on the clock that ran almost exclusively on this fuel. The intake valves were completely spotless, and the piston tops had nothing more than a faint, normal haze. The internals looked closer to a 50,000-mile motor. Paying a few extra cents for verified, high-concentration chemistry keeps you out of my repair bay. And finally, in first place, Costco's Kirkland Signature. It is the cheapest name on our trust list, proving that certification beats brand prestige. They license their fuel as top tier and blend it with 5 times the EPA's minimum detergent requirement. Because their stations run on a massive bulk model, their tanks turn over constantly, and they back that up with strict filtration to stop water or rust before it hits your nozzle. I recently worked on a Toyota 4Runner with 315,000 miles that ran on this fuel for a decade. The internals were cleaner than most 100,000-mile motors I pull apart. But even the best fuel can be ruined by bad fueling myths. Watch this next video to keep your engine running clean. Subscribe to the channel for more veteran shop advice. Across all these choices, one truth remains. Your engine's survival isn't luck, it's a daily decision. Yet even the best fuel can be completely ruined by common fueling. Myths we still believe. Click the next video to see how these myths destroy your motor. Subscribe for more expert engine-saving tips.